Okay, as an initial step, you can go to search bar, search for control panel, tap on it, make sure to set the view by as a large icon. Then after come to the internet options and go to the advanced tab like this. Just tap on restore advanced setting, then tap on apply and OK. This will reset network related setting that might be blocking the Wi-Fi. Once it is done, you can close this one. Then after, go to search bar again, search for run, tap on it. In this time you have to type services.msc like this, hit enter. Find WLAN auto config, here it is, tap on it, right click on it, go to properties, set the startup type as automatically like this. Then after tap on stop, and then after tap on start, then tap on OK. Again right click on the start menu, go to device manager, double tap on network adapters, find the adapter, right click on it, make sure it is enabled. If it is disabled, you will be able to find enable option here, make sure to enable it. So now it is enabled. Then after right click on it again, go to update driver, tap on search automatically for drivers. If it is say it already installed, it's okay. So then after close this one, again right click on it, tap on uninstall device, tap on uninstall. So then after you have to restart your computer to reinstall the same driver again. This will fix if there is a issue with driver. Again go to start menu, go to setting, go to network and internet tab, scroll down and come to advanced network setting. Scroll down, come to network reset option, tap on reset now option. This will reset the network setting and restart your computer will be automatically. And you can perform a power flush. To do that, shut down your computer and unplug your power cable. Press the power button for 30 seconds, reconnect power cable and start your computer. And again go to start menu, go to setting, go to network and internet tab. Make sure in the flight mode is turned off like this. If it is turned on, make sure to turn it off. Close this one, go to search bar, right click on it, go to device manager, click on view tab, tap on show hidden devices. So you can see any hidden network adapter kind of thing in the network adapter section. So you can if there is available, you can reinstall that fresh drivers. So these are the methods you can try to fix your Wi-Fi issues. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.